Using this method we can make internal linking super easy. All we're going to need here is the article itself and the paid version of ChatGPT. Make sure that you're using the web browsers when you go to My GPTs. It's one by ChatGPT itself, don't get it confused with another version. So first let's come over and grab the URL for the post that you want to make the links for. You're then going to type something along the lines of, can you find internal linking opportunities for the post at, here we're going to put in the URL, and suggest relevant URLs from that site. Now there's some important language in this, which is the internal linking and the relevant URLs from that site. One thing that you might want to do to save yourself a bit of hassle is adding please provide the naked URLs. This means the actual whole address itself rather than trying to create a ChatGPT link on a word. It's just much easier to find your links and copy the URL. As the web browsing feature can go onto the post and the website, it will now find internal linking opportunities on this post. So let's go ahead and check out what it has to say. The outcomes do sometimes differ, so in this time it's not actually giving us where to put them. Sometimes it will also tell you where to put them also. So we're just going to go ahead and give it one more prompt, which is, can you advise me on where to place these links on the article? As you can see, it's now showing us in the relevant sections where to put the internal links. So first of all in the introduction, which is the first paragraph. Next up the section on PBN hosting, which of course it's going to say for our multiple IP hosting. For the WordPress section of the article, if we scroll down, which is going to be here, it's actually found a really good article about how to manage your plugins via SeekaHost app, and that's going to be for when discussing plugin management, in one of our posts about themes when we're discussing theme management. As you can see, it's a much easier way to be able to find links that you might have missed and put them into articles to help with internal linking, which in turn will create a much better article, better for SEO and better for the reader to navigate around your site.